Welcome, Tech Tip Time. Today we're going to look at Google Docs. Special things for you to know when you're using Google Docs. The title, page setup, outline, and voice typing. When you click on a Google Doc, you begin to type your title and the other things that you'd like in your paper. So I have a few things here. So my Tech Tip Time will be my title. So I click on it and I can go up to the title box at the top of the page where it says Untitled Document. Click on that and now it becomes, my title is automatically put in. The next part is your Google folder. Click on the folder and select the folder that you want to put your document in. If you do not have a folder there, then click on New Folder and add the folder for your document. You should have a folder for each class so that you can keep all your documents organized and easy to find. The next part is alignment. So with Tech Tip, this is already as a normal text. So I click on the arrow beside normal text and I click title. Now it's in title form. I want to move it to the middle, so I go to my alignment part section and click center align. Also, since it's already still highlighted, I can change the text, font, and the size, and then the color. If this part is highlighted, the text will change the color. If I go and highlight the highlight box, then I can add a highlight behind my text. I have made some sections of what we're talking about today. So I'm going to highlight that, go up to normal text, click on the arrow. So I go to heading 1. Now these sections become headings, which now go to View, click on Show Document Outline. Now this shows you your different sections in your paper. So if I wanted to go to Page Setup, I click on Page Setup and it takes me straight to that section, which this becomes important when you have several pages in your document. You can easily find the page you want to go to. The next part is Page Setup. So if I go to File, Page Setup, here I can select Portrait, Landscape. I can also set my margins. If I put 1.0, that means it will be 1 inch from the sides, from the top, the bottom, or the left and right. Under paper size, I can select the paper size that I want to have my document be. And then I can also select my document color. And the background will change. If I want to change and have this format on all my papers for a while, I can set this as a default and it will always come up with this with these settings. As the dictation tool. If I click on one of my sections and I go to Tools at the top, Voice Typing, a microphone will come up and I can dictate what I want to say about that part and it will record on my paper. Also remember to always talk slowly when you are dictating. Docs Page Setup is located under File, period. Click the file, go to the bottom of the outline and select Page Setup. Here I can select the size of my page, the color, and my margins, period. Now, I also want to go and make corrections. There's a little line under things that they may have typed in incorrectly, and they check with you under the file, and page setup shows that it's red, so it's written incorrectly. Outline, no, I don't want to change it to that. All right, my sentences are all run together, so I would need to correct that and put my capitalization. This is all for Tech Tip Time today.